Well, hello again mga ka-beauties. In today's video, we will do a skincare unboxing. So here it is, guys. Ito yung laman ng ating package. So, start ko dito sa cleanser. This one is from the Face Shop. It is a rice water bright foaming cleanser. And it contains 100 ml. And alam nyo ba guys, nasa $10 lang to ang laki nun niya. So, we save up much. Kasi 300 ml yung laman niya. And it says here, it is a foaming cleanser with rice extract that gently moisturizes the skin with its rich, dense foam. Brightening, deep foaming cleanser effectively cleanses away makeup as the whipped cream texture gently envelopes the skin. Formulated with natural cleansing agents, including rice extract and soapwort extract, it leaves skin looking clear and bright. The Face Shop Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. Yan siya. First time ko palang makabili nito. So, we'll see kung maganda siya. Second tap is, meron tayo ditong, bumili din ako nitong Some by Me na Clear Spot Patch. Ito yung Don't Pop It, Just Leave It. Invisible Intensive Spot Patch. Yan siya. Nasa $3 lang isang nito. At ang laman nito is, alam na ba laman nito? Nasa 30. Hydrocolloid type yung patches niya. And it says here, Invisible Intensive Spot Patch. And the key points nito is intensive cover for scratch, prevents skin infection, natural thin layer. By Some by Me's Mind, remarkable skin transformation from natural ingredients. Yan siya. So, pakita ko sa inyo ang tsura niyan. Ganda pa ng packaging mo. Yan. So, ito siya. Oh, napaka-ano niya. Naka-sealed pa siya. Ayan, nakikita nyo. Hindi masyadong kita sa camera. Pero, hydrocolloid type yung patches niya. So, kumuha ako nito ang Puncang Yule na 100 ml. Ayan. This is an essence toner. Napakaganda nito for yung sa 7 skin method. And this has also only 10 ingredients. And mga magaganda yung ingredients na laman nito. And I got here also itong Some by Me Galactomyces Pure Vitamin C Glow Toner. Yan siya. Ito yung may fermented ingredient siya. So, yung isang bottle nito, it has 200 ml. And it has pure vitamin C, 10,000 ppm, meaning tapos meron siyang galactomyces na 88% and contains also 10 vitamins that are good for brightening, smoothing, and blemish care. Yung vitamin C na ginamit dito is ascorbic acid, and it says this toner can brighten your skin, and because of its content of 88% galactomyces ferment filtrate, which is excellent in providing moisturizing effects, it can keep your skin moisturized and provide abundant nutrients. This product can make your skin healthier and soften the texture of your skin more effectively, so you can soothe your irritated skin by external stimuli with our toner, which contains 10,000 ppm of vitamin C pure and liposomized 10 different kinds of vitamins. So, mas madali siyang liposomize. So, mas madali siyang ma-absorb sa skin. And, yung claims niya is it will give your skin brighter skin tone around the eyes, increase skin radiance, less dead skin cells, moisturize skin, helpful for blemish and pigmentation, and skin irritation testing. So it says here that it has improved results when using 2 products at the same time, galactomyces C toner and vitamin C glow serum. Guys, as you can see, nasa brown bottle or tinted bottle itong ating galactomyces vitamin C for the reason na para hindi siya madaling mag-oxidize. Next na toner na kinuha ko is ito from Nacific. Napabili ako nitong origin toner nila kasi nung chinek ko yung ingredients niya, simula nung naging maganda yung effect ng Kbeauty product sa akin, lagi ko nang binabasa yung ingredients niya. Doon ako sa ingredients na base, hindi sa brand. So, dito sa ingredients ng Nacific or Natural Pacific brand, meron siyang niacinamide. So, kaya ko to binili. And alam nyo guys naman na my favorite skincare ingredient is niacinamide. So, yan siya. Ito yung may calendula. Kaya ganyan yung kulay niya. Tingnan natin. Ay, nakaseal. I don't wanna open it kasi hindi ko pa siya gagamitin. Ayan yung itsura niya. Sunod na aking kinuha is itong try out natin to for siguro good for 2 weeks to guys. Itong iHerb Kbeauty Kit. Meron na siya lahat. And ayan yung laman niya oh. Kompleto, meron siyang makeup remover, cleanser, toner. Meron din siyang eye cream, essence. Meron din siyang gravity cream. Yung cleansing dry tissue, yung egging pack, and mask pack. So, isahin natin to guys. Okay. So, Heimish. Meron siyang Heimish All Clean Balm. So, ito siya. Yung Heimish All Clean Balm niya. Comes with 7 ml product. All Clean Heimish. And then, third, they have the Essence Toner na Pyun Kang Yu na sobrang cute. Tignan nyo naman, oh. 30 ml. Ang cute-cute niya. And, next up, meron tayong Fermentation Eye Cream from Benton. In 10 grams siya. Yan. And we have also the Benton Snail Bee. Ito yung Benton Snail Bee Content Essence. And, meron din tayong Benton Fermentation Eye Cream. Yan. 10 grams siya. And sunod is yung Kbeauty na Pure Pearl Session Revitalizing Facial Cleansing Foam. 30 ml siya. Yan. And meron din dito yung Huxley na Anti-Gravity Cream. In 7 ml. Yan. Next is yung Avahar. Ito yung dry tissue na cleansing, exfoliating, and toner in 1. Babasain mo siya sa tubig, tapos pabubulain bago gamitin as cleanser, toner, and exfoliator. Sunod dito is yung kanilang Eggy Delight Pack. Ito siyang cute-cute ng packaging lang. Kita niyo ba? Para talaga siyang itlog. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Real egging pack. Ang main ingredient niya dito is yung egg yolk extract, hydrolyzed eggshell membrane. This is a single-use overnight mask with moisturizing and skin firming effects from real egg ingredients. In as little as 20 minutes, it leaves your skin hydrated and firm, helps skin appear more visibly radiant and glow. Ayan siya guys. Ang cute. Para talaga siyang itlog. Ayan. Tapos yung itong taas niya is yung spoon na pang mix dito. Okay, so sunod naman dito, we have yung Kbeauty mask. Ito siya. Yung 3-step mask nila. This has peeling gel. Meron ding balancing gel and then the mask. So, unang gagamitin is yung peeling gel. Sunod is yung Kbeauty mask. And then the balancing gel. This is for hydration. So, unang gagawin is mag-apply muna ng peeling gel on a wet face along with your skin texture to remove skin waste and sebum and wash off. Then, second step is to take the mask sheet full with nutrients of essence toner and take off 10 to 20 minutes. Tapos, yung last step niya is yung balancing gel. Ayun na lahat yung laman guys ng netong iHerb Kbeauty kit. Gagamitin ko to for, siguro okay na to for 2 weeks or even 3 weeks. Tignan natin kung maganda effect ng full kit na ito. And guys, bumili din ako nitong matcha powder. Subukan natin. It says your matcha road begins with green tea farms in Japan that have refined the art of tea growing for the past 800 years. Our tea is shade grown before it is harvested and then carefully ground into matcha powder. So it doesn't have GMOs, so it's gluten free, no artificial colors, flavors, or sweeteners, and no artificial preservatives. Yeah. No sugar is added and the result is wonderfully refreshing drink full of benefits you can enjoy or share on any road you choose to take. Try natin. It's grass-fed collagen also and it supports hair, skin, and nails. So, ang directions dito is mix 2 tablespoons with the amount of cold or hot liquid of your preference and mix thoroughly bago inumin. So guys, ayun yung ating skincare unboxing. So, isa-isahin ko silang gamitin and i-review. At I will update you kung ano yung effect. So guys, for those of you who haven't subscribed yet to my channel, click the subscribe button. And also hit the bell to get you notified whenever I have a new video. Bye! See you on my next video.